Making changes for your own happiness. No one is in control of your happiness but you. Therefore, you have the power to change anything about yourself or your life that you want to change. Barbara de Angelis. True happiness eludes many people in our world today. In fact, if you look around you, it is much easier to find people who are depressed, lonely, frustrated, scared, or complacent. They have lost their zest for life. What's worse is that they have forgotten about the basic truth contained in today's quote. They are the ones in control of their happiness, or lack of it. Each and every one of us contains the amazing power to change our life at any time we decide to do so. We have to constantly take an inventory on what's working and what is not working. What areas of your life have you been neglecting? Can you identify some areas that require improvement? My guess is that you can if you are honest with yourself. Use today as a day to exercise your true power. Make a major change today that you know you have been putting off. Whether it is confronting someone who is making you unhappy, confronting a habit that is harming your health, or maybe even changing the way you treat the important people in your life. Whatever it is, you have the power to make it better, so use that power. Please subscribe to our channel, like, and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.